The only nominee from Sikkim for the Padma Shri Award in 2023 is 98-year-old Tularam Uprati from Assam Lengze village in Pakyong district, a man who has practiced organic farming for over 8 decades.
We got a call from Ministry of Home Affairs from the Joint Secretary stating that our grandfather, Sri Tularam Uprati, has been nominated for the Padma Shri Awards. So we were quite shocked.
हमारे पिताजी का में तीन जो उनका वैल्यूज़ है लाइफ का, उनका हम सब लोग बहुत कदर करते हैं। वो क्या है कि उनका जो ईमानदारी और परिश्रम और वो सिंप्लिसिटी, सरलता और जो काम के प्रति उनका सिंसियरिटी है, उसी के कारण शायद इतने सालों तक हमको मालूम नहीं, क्योंकि जब से हम जानते हैं इन्होंने अपना खेतीबाड़ी लगभग 9-10 वर्ष की उम्र से इन्होंने शुरू किया था अपने माता पिता के साथ। तभी से ये खेत से जुड़े हुए हैं और इनको धरती माता से बहुत प्यार है। और ये जब भी कहते हैं कि अब तो आप लोग पर्यावरण का बात करते हैं, ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग का बात करते हैं, लेकिन इनका मिट्टी के प्रति प्रेम कोई कि इन्होंने कभी भी हम लोग के बोलने पर भी इन्होंने कभी केमिकल फर्टिलाइज़र का यूज़ हम लोग को आज तक भी यूज़ नहीं करने दिया। और इन्होंने अपने हाथों से जो कुछ भी हम लोग अभी हमारा खेती है, धान चावल इत्यादि सभी इन्होंने अपने हाथ से शुरू किया है, सभी को प्रेरित भी किया है।
Uprati has been an organic farmer for over 80 years and has cultivated paddy and other crops without the use of fertilizers. Uprati has 8 sons, 7 daughters, 104 grandchildren and great-grandchildren who attest that their family has been practicing agriculture on the land for over 100 years.
I think it's more than 100 years. It's that paddy farming has been we have been doing it for more than 100 years, and every year we do it. So with all the efforts of my grandfather and our helpers, we are continuing the legacy till now.
And for how many years was he well equipped to work in the fields? How long it's been since he stopped farming?
It's only around 4 years due to some he had some knee problem, so he has little bit problem over the leg. So after that he has stopped working, but he is healthy enough to give us knowledge and to assist us in the field.
Prior to Sikkim's adoption of democracy, Uprati was also involved in trade with Yatung in Tibet during the 1940s and 1950s. In addition to farming, Uprati also served as a local panchayat head from the Lingze ward under the Assam Lingze Gram Panchayat unit for 25 years. He was elected as the panchayat president twice and retired from social service around 1996. Many refer Uprati as the father of organic farming for his pioneering work in the field 20 years before the organic mission was initiated in Sikkim.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.